Next question number 3. If tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at an angle 80 degrees, then angle POA is equal to. First, let's draw one circle with center O. Here we have to draw two tangents PA and PB from a point P. Suppose P is the external point of the circle, somewhere here. Draw tangents from point P. Here PA and PB are two tangents to the circle at point P. Here PA and PB are two tangents to the circle from the point P. Okay, and join OP, OA, OB. Here OB and OA are radii of same circle. And given tangents inclined to each other at an angle 80 degrees. Okay, here PA and PB inclined to each other at an angle 80 degrees. So, angle P equal to 80 degrees. Okay. We know PA and PB. PA equal to PB. Why? The lengths of two tangents drawn from an external point of the circle are equal. Okay, P is the external point of the circle. Draw two tangents from point P. So, PA equal to PB. Okay. Here we get two triangles. They are OPA and OPB. Consider triangle OPA and OPB. Okay, here OA and OB are radii of same circle. Okay, and PA and PB are tangents of circle. Okay, we know theorem 10.1. The tangents drawn at any point of the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, OA is perpendicular to PA and OB is perpendicular to PB. Okay, here angle OAP is equal to angle OBP, each 90 degrees. Okay, this is the right angle. And next OP equal to OP, same side, OP equal to OP. OP is nothing but hypotenuse of the two triangles. This is hypotenuse. Next, OA equal to OB. OA equal to OB, radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Here using right angle, hypotenuse, side congruency. Therefore, triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OPB using RHS congruency. Okay, here these two triangles are congruent. Their corresponding parts are equal. Okay. OP equal to OP and OA equal to OB and PA equal to PB and angle A equal to angle B, angle APO, this angle APO is equal to angle OPB. Okay, suppose this angle equal to X and this is also X. See, we know angle A and angle APO. APO is here x plus x is 80 degrees. 2x equal to 80 degrees, x equal to 80 by 2 which is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, angle APO is 40 degrees. From triangle